Hello everybody and welcome to Monday's maths lesson. Mr. Lake, today we are going to be looking at data, collecting information, okay?
How exciting.
So, the first thing I want you guys to do at home is to get your ruler and a nice sharp pencil and try and draw this table, okay? Remember, practice those skills holding the ruler really steady. Don't get frustrated by this. It is a bit tricky.
It is. Yeah.
We've only just started using rulers. If you make mistakes or if it's wobbly or not very neat, don't worry. That's okay. Practice makes perfect. Now your table is going to need 1, 2, 3 columns going across, and I would say 5 or 6 boxes going down. So I'd like to do that now. So press pause. Okay, so hopefully you have drawn your table. Right, now Mr. Lake, today the important information we're going to be looking at is the colour of my socks.
Oh, that is important.
They smell incredible, Mr. Lake. Now, so I'd like you to start labelling our table for us. So you can be the pen master. Okay, so in this top box here, I would like you to write colour.
Okay. So the colour of your socks. What privilege this is, Mr.
This is really the big debate. It's the important. Everyone's been worried about this, and we're going to sort it out today. Right. Now here, I would like you to write tally for me. Now, hopefully at home you remember we did a tally chart way back in September, but hopefully you can kind of remember what it is. If not, watch Mr. Lake. He's going to show you. Right. Let's get started.
Okay.
So this is my real. I emptied out my sock drawer this morning. These are really my socks. So let's find out which colour socks I have the most of.
Yep, so right. I think you know anyway which colours are going to come up here. So
yeah, so I'll tell you now. I've got black socks.
Black socks.
I've got green socks.
Green.
I've got blue socks.
Yep.
I've got grey socks.
Yep.
And I have some white socks.
Okay, and maybe at home you want to pick one to cheer on to make
yeah, it's going to be an exciting competition.
So if you know what, I'm going to cheer on green.
Okay.
I want green to win. Who do you want to win?
Well, I feel like I shouldn't say anything. I'm not going to say anything because I'm very familiar. I've got inside information. I'm very familiar.
I've never seen it before. So. Okay.
Right, let's get cracking. Right, so start off with a nice pair of blue socks.
Yep, now there's a bit of white on those ones, but we're saying whatever the main colour is.
Yeah, okay, so
that's
blue.
One for blue.
Straight into black.
Yep.
Okay, now we'll go for, so these ones, so there's a bit of green, bit of red, bit of black, but basically they're white. So we're going to say white for those. Stripy, but they're blue, so blue. Okay, let's go for black.
Yep.
Got some whites, Mr. Lake.
Lovely.
Okay, grey.
Yep.
Okay, we're moving in. Okay, now these ones are actually, they're blue. They're a very dark navy blue. It's quite a different blue to these ones, but they're blue. Let's put blue. Okay, another blue. Okay, black. Black. Mr. Lake, are you excited? We've got some greens, good green pair of socks.
Finally registering a school there.
Blue.
Oh, now I'm up to 5 now, Mr. Ben.
Okay.
When we get to 5, we do a little diagonal cross through it like that, and as you'll see in a little bit, that will help us when we count up. Okay.
Great. Oh, so blue is taking an early lead there. Okay. Well, now we're moving on to some these. Yeah. Bit of blue, but mainly they're black.
Yep.
Okay. Lovely penguin socks, but I would say they're a dark navy blue. Mr.
Yeah, I'm not sure how well you can see them at home, but they are.
They're blue.
Blue.
Okay. Are we going into a pair of grey socks, Mr. Lake?
Grey.
Grey. After grey, we're going for these. I would say they're black.
Yep.
Okay. A pair of blues, Mr. Lake. Tell you what, it's neck and neck between blue and black. How very exciting. Greys, Mr. Lake. Okay. Oh, whites. Okay, moving on to a nice pair of blue socks. Okay, blacks. Okay, now these are stripy, but they're basically,
I'd say black.
I'd say black socks. Okay, blue, grey. Okay, black. Okay, black.
Oh, another.
Oh, yeah,
Cross
next
there.
5. Okay, and then I would say, okay, got these ones. These are grey. We're getting near the end, Mr. Lake. Okay, and then we've got blacks.
Yep.
And a final pair of black socks. So
Okay.
we can now work out the winner. So what I'd like you to do, Mr. Lake, you can probably see just by looking at that, you can get an idea what colour won. Is there really a winner with colours of socks? I'm not sure there is. Right, so can you write in here, can you write total?
Yep, total. Total. Total.
Okay. So now we're going to count up our information in the tally chart. Okay, so this one, luckily you put it in 5s, so
Helps us count.
5, 10, 11, 12. So 12 pairs of black socks.
Yep.
Green, I'm sorry Mr. Lake, it was only 1 pair of green socks.
Disappointing.
You know, when Christmas is coming up, you know, in about 10 months.
Yeah, 10 months now.
Get me a pair of green socks, might help it out. Right, blue. Blue got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for blue. Grey got 5, 5 exactly. Okay,
Yeah.
and white, 3 pairs of white.
Excellent.
Okay, so straight away we can see that I mainly have black socks.
Not very many green.
No, but I do have a
Quite
lot of
blue.
I have a lot of blue. Okay, a lot of blue and black.
Fascinating what we're finding out about Mr. Fair.
In fact, I've got some blue on today, which I don't know if we want to. Well, we'll leave it. We'll leave it.
Yeah, let's not spoil it.
Now, at home, I would like you to go and do your own tally chart. Okay, so you can get your get socks, maybe someone else's in your house, their socks as well, and do a tally chart of the colours. But if, like Mr. Lake, you only have 1 colour of socks,
I only wear black socks, pretty much. I've got
yeah,
a couple of others.
It
Fun
might-
socks.
it'll be a bit boring, and we're going to need this information for tomorrow's lesson. So you really want a few colours. You want so if socks is not going to work for you, I would suggest you could look at the colours of your t-shirts and make a tally chart of that, or you could look at all your books and make a tally chart of the colour of your books, or you could get like your toys and look at the different colours of your toys. It could be all your toys, or maybe just look at like toy cars or something. Or what would be really great, now this depends where you live, you might want to sit at your front window and you could just watch as the cars go by, and you could make a tally chart. Oh, a blue car, oh, red car, oh, another blue car. And that's the sort of way we normally use tally charts anyway.
That'll only work if you're on a busy road.
Yeah, I think for me it wouldn't work so well, but it depends where you live. If not, but I think socks is a pretty safe bet for most people. Okay, so go and have fun with this. Get it done now. You will need it tomorrow, so please, please, please do this.
Have fun collecting data.